It's on.
All right, so we bought these for Scout for the wintertime here in Kansas because we want to protect his feet and my carpet. They're a little big, a lot big, but we're gonna try him out. See how it goes. He's kind of tired.
He looks like an idiot.
Okay, there's one. Scout. It's fun. It's like, what are you doing to me? Hold on, buddy.
Get his toy or something.
Yeah. Should we do all four or just those two?
Just those two are funny, I think.
Let's do all four.
Okay. Well, will he even...
I don't know. Doggy. You look like you're being tortured.
Is that me or you?
It's mine. Does it still says I have no sound? I don't know. I thought I fixed that, but maybe I didn't. Alright, bud.
Oh, she said you can't use that phone number.
Can't use it?
Can. Just use
Okay.
this one.
Alright. Look at him. Scout, come on. Come here, buddy. Come here. Where's the ball? Where's the ball?
Where's his leather?
Come on. Come on. Scout. Come on. Go get it. Alright, fine.
Uh-oh. Now he's interested.
You should come be over here so you can see it. Oh my gosh, look how cute he is. Come on, baby. Oh! 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 I think he's kind of scared. That's sad. Come here. Come here, bud. Come on. We are the meanest people in the world. Come here, buddy. Come on.
Put him on the ground. Maybe he doesn't want to jump because I don't think he gets it.
Come here.
Okay, make him.
Come here, bud. Come on.
Here, make him walk.
Oh, my stomach hurts. Okay. I'm just trying to.
Let's bring him over
The
here.
light is better. Come here.
Stupid.
Oh, this is so mean. This smells so bad. Oh, darn.
Look.
Come around. Oh. I'll turn the light on. Okay, come here. Oh, you're so
Oh, that's so
cute.
funny.
Alright. Come here. Okay, finish that. Come here.
What?
Ready? Go get it. He's too tired. He won't do it. Here, I'll throw a treat. Ready? Let's go. Ready? Go. Get it. He looks like a donkey. Come here. Come here. Oh, we are so mean. All right. I think you've had enough.
Good?
No, one more.
Okay.
Come here.
It's like he forgot how his feet work. Oh.
Why does he kick backward? Look at it. Scout. Oh, bud.
I like it when he just has the two front ones on. I think it's actually funnier.
Alright, let's do just the front ones. Just do the front ones. Oh, that was really on there. Sorry. Hold on. Alright. I can't believe he lets me put them on.
Yeah, he knows it sucks.
Alright. Okay. Go get it.
Get him a treat.
He's trying to lose weight.
I know, but this is worth it.
Let's get a little. Ready? Ready? Come here.
Bring him over there. Bring him over here.
Wait, which way? This way?
Yeah.
Okay, one more time.
Yeah.
See, maybe if I do this, he'll get used to it. Alright, go get it, bud.
Yeah, that time that looked normal.
Yeah, see, he'll get used to it. We need to get ones that fit. These are
Yeah.
huge. It's like, I mean, look, this little paw is not even, I'm sure that feels like wearing flippers, huh?